To understand exactly when the motion chain feature becomes active or inactive, let's first record a 3-position motion chain. If one of the positions you saved is highlighted, it means the system is exactly at this position and the motion chain is active. While in this state, if you tap a position further ahead, the system will move by visiting the in-between positions, executing the motion chain. By tapping the highlighted position before the movement starts, you can deactivate the motion chain feature. In this state, when you tap a position further ahead, the system will go directly to that position via the shortest route. Even if the motion chain is active, if you double tap a position further ahead, the system will again go directly to that point via the shortest route, without using the motion chain. Finally, if you manually disrupt the system's position and push it out of its active position, the motion chain deactivates again, and it reaches a position further ahead directly, without following the chain.